Hi, this is Art, OCRV in Anaheim, over at the body shop today. Here's the Winnebago journey. The guy had an unfortunate mishap. He was driving on some tight mountain roads and actually caught a protruding rock on the side of the mountain and just tore the side of his coach up. So we're in the middle of the repair progress, and we've done all the fiberglass repair. Now they're down to the finish filler work and ferrying it out. We'll get ready to do some primer and get some paint work done to this coach and finish it up. There's also some damage inside. We'll show you that. So here we're in the inside of this coach that hit the boulder on the side of the hill and also broke these interior walls. So we just want to show you guys what happens in this type of accident, where it's disrupted the cabinets, broken the interior wall, and also back in the bathroom, which we'll show you a little bit of that. So the customer's actually going to opt for some upgrades while the coach is in here getting this damage fixed. We're going to upgrade the window surrounds and some MCD shades and some carpet and TVs. And so we'll get back with you and show you some progress pictures and show you this project when it's done.